Hello again, and it's Melissa again here from One Hot Bite. Today I wanted to talk to you really quick about different eating styles. Everybody's on some fad diet. I've talked about this before. My favorite is Mediterranean. The meal I'm making tonight is a Mediterranean meal, but it will fit in several of the other top 5 eating styles. So of those eating styles, we have Mediterranean, which is #1, rated #1 every year. There's keto, there's vegan, there's Whole30, and intermittent fasting. So this particular meal, at least the salmon portion I'm really gonna focus on today, we're doing mustard shallot glazed salmon. I'm gonna do some couscous and roasted broccoli as well, but we're gonna really focus on the salmon. This could be keto, it's high in fat, very, very low in carbs, if any at all. This would fit Mediterranean, obviously. This would fit paleo or low carb eating. This would also fit intermittent fasting because you can eat whatever you want within those time periods. So real quick, we're gonna throw this together. It's again, super low in ingredients, come together really super fast. So let's get cooking. I also want to let you know this meal with the couscous, the broccoli, and the salmon and the glazed salmon all put together is under 500 calories. We're at 467 calories for this entire meal. Super simple, 7 ingredients outside of the couscous and the broccoli. So that's 9 ingredients under 10, and we are going to get cooking. Okay, let's assemble this gourmet meal that we've made in under 20 minutes. We're gonna start with our couscous that we made. We've already fluffed it with a fork. And so now each serving is gonna get about 2/3 of a cup of fresh couscous. Okay. Then we're gonna top that with about 6 ounces of our prepared salmon. A nice serving of broccoli. And then we have our reserved sauce that we put over the top of our salmon. We're going to take a little bit of that and freshen up the salmon. And there you have it, another hot bite from One Hot Bite. We have heart-healthy salmon with a mustard shallot glaze that will please anybody. It has the sweet, it has the savory, and you can't beat it. Under 500 calories. You have couscous and fresh broccoli. If you don't like couscous and you don't like broccoli, the great thing about this dish is you can take that incredible salmon dish and you can omit the carbs and have a carbless a carb-free meal, or you can add mashed potatoes, roasted potatoes, or any kind of veggie you want. I would say if you're gonna do it a carb-free dish, make sure that you add those veggies on the side. They're super filling and keep you full. So there we have it, another hot bite, and I will see you guys next week.